Number 1 says complete the table below. We need to use the information above to fill in this table. It says the counselor's finding for the 254 8th grade students are as follows, which means the total of everything, the total is 254. Then it says, of the 80 students enrolled in band, so the total students in band, which is going to be this section here, is 80. Of those 80 students, 42 are male. Of the 65 students enrolled in choir, so the total choir, which is this column here, of the 65, 20 are male. So this box here is the male in choir. Of the 88 students, total students, enrolled in sports, 30 are female. Female's that top column, top row. Of the 21 students, total students in art, 9 are female. Now we need to figure out the remaining boxes. So if 9 are female, how many do I have to add to get to 21? 9 plus 12 makes 21. If I have 30 and my total is 88, I need to add 58 to get to 88. If my total is 65 and one of the parts is 20, the other part has to be 45. The total is 80. One of the parts is 42. So the other piece must be 38. Now we need to find the total of this whole row and put it in this box. So 38 plus 45 plus 30 plus 9 is 122. The total males, 42 plus 20 plus 58 plus 12, is 132. And to check our work, if we total these two, we should get 254. And we do. So we are good for number 1. Moving on to number 2. It says, write a sentence explaining the meaning of the frequency 38 in this table. Well, here's a 38. 38 is the number of female students in band. Number 3. Use the table provided above to calculate the following relative frequencies. What proportion of students are male and enrolled in choir? So we're looking at what fraction of the students, and there's 254 students, are males in choir. So we're looking for male in choir, which is 20. Frequencies are written as decimals. This is 0.08. 4 says, what proportion of students are enrolled in musical extracurricular activities, meaning band or choir? So our total is still the students, and we're looking for band or choir. So 80 and 65 is 145, which comes out to 0.57. Number 5. What proportion of male students, so now we're just looking at the male students, are enrolled in sports? So we're looking at males in sports, which is 0.44. What proportion of students enrolled in sports, so students in sports, are male? Which is 0.66.